Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. Hey, family, welcome back. I know I have not done a trade video. I don't think I did a trade video for the month of April. Okay, so if I were to do a trade video for the month of April, majority of these fragrances you would have seen on my April trade, because I'm just going to recycle. This is a whole recycle the fragrance trade video. One, because I got new fragrances that I still want to test and love on them. Two, because I don't think I did a tray. So the things were already on the tray, and I said, why not? And who cares? So here we are. I have Valaya. I know I have been talking her down to you all, and look at that dent. I just have her on here for you all to look at the dent, because I am not going to put her on this tray for the month of May, because I've been wearing this baby out and she need a break. Look, that dent says she needs a break. But when I run out of Valaya, this is definitely a repurchase. This is a lifer. She will always have to be in my wardrobe. But what will be on my tray for the month of May, so I know I have talked about Leonora for a while. Even last month I talked about her. But this fruity, sweet, tropical fragrance, I just need it. I mean, you have sandalwood, you have tonka bean. We've talked about this down. I did so much last night, from send-off prom to a birthday celebration, a visit yesterday, and I was still smelling her. And she is so good. I love her down, so definitely wanted to put her on the tray for May. Next up, I have two fragrances on my tray from the House of Beau. I have been, again, as I've said, I have been in my House of Beau bag, and this is Chou Chou and Casablanca. I have been waiting for Casablanca. This is another House of Beau fragrance that I needed in my collection. This has, now you all know yo sis, tea. Who are we talking to? Okay, I have not found a tea that works for me, but this works. Okay, this not only has white tea in it, it also has fig. We have some tobacco. We have some bourbon vanilla in this. It is so good. It also has like a molecule note, and I think maybe that is what really takes me there, or what really captures me in this fragrance, because it kind of fits my body, right? It kind of merges with my chemistry, and so I love it. Okay, love this down. And then Chou Chou, we will get into her. I've been waiting to talk about her. I've been testing her out. But you have your rose in here. It's a very sexy fragrance with saffron in there, champagne. It is so beautiful, and highly recommend either one, but I'm definitely going to be testing it out. Not even testing it, girl, I'm going to be wearing it down, because I've been wearing Chou Chou down. But Casablanca, it just got here, so I cannot wait to wear her. Twin, where have you been? Man, all these twin fragrances from the same house. Well, we have Burberry, and I have, yeah, y'all have seen them. I've talked about this down in the month of April, and I'm just going to keep them on my tray. I love them. Love them. Love them down. You know, you have your Burberry Elixir, which has that good old, like, creamy strawberry scrumptiousness. I mean, man grabber if you need it, sis. Okay? If you need him to nibble at your neck, it's a nibbler. Okay? And then we have Burberry Eau de Toilette, a little pear. I love a good pear, but it's so spring forward. You can wear it in the summer. It's not too much. It just sits just right if you work from home and you're like, I just want like an easy kind of fragrance, nothing heavy. This is your girl, Burberry Eau de Toilette. And we have the Elixir. Together, they're amazing. Separate, they're amazing. With other fragrance, they're amazing. You get the point? It's amazing. Period. Hands down. Next, from Kayali, we're not going to stay on them long because I've been talking about these babies. But Eden Plush Pear, we have Eden Sweet Peach. They are both really good, separate kind of, vibe. I think the Plush Pear gives me a little bit more sexiness. Then the Sweet Peach is kind of like the everyday girl, right? Everyday, a little soapy, fruity, just very out of the shower freshness. So I love both of them together, separate. I mean, yeah, I just wanted to recycle them, put them with other fragrances that I have, and yeah, why not? Next up, we have two very totally different fragrances, but very good, all the same. Replicas Bubble Bath. I mean, this is bubble bath. This is you in the bubble bath, relaxing, self-care, enjoying yourself, and you want to smell just like that outside of the bubble bath. Well, this is the fragrance for you. This is definitely a good one for every day. Laying in the house, Netflix and chill. You don't want to do too much. Maybe you're cleaning. It's spring cleaning time. So this is a good spring cleaning fragrance. You don't want to wear your real good girls in the house cleaning, but you still want to smell good. Yeah. Replicas Bubble Bath is that for sure. And then we have Instant Crush. Miss Sexy, a little saffron, ginger, rose, jasmine. We have some musk, some sandalwood. It's like so many notes in this, but they all work so well together. She has been mistaken for Baccarat 540, which it is not, the dupe, but definitely similar vibes, right? The similar of the sexiness, the freshness with the bergamot, right? The jasmine, the florals, so very good, very good, very good. I feel like Instant Crush can go for both women and men, honestly, but so good. Highly recommend if you're looking for something to pair together, separate. Yeah, Instant Crush, Bubble Bath, both great fragrances. Definitely had to be on my May tray. Next up, she's back. We have Navitus Parfums. We have Melon Kiss. If you've been here at least for, I feel like the past 2 years. Yeah, something like that. Me and Melon Kiss, we go bad. We go bad together. Bad. Girl, that didn't make no sense. Okay, we go together real bad. But it has melon, cantaloupe. Ooh, it's so good. Coconut milk, honey, vanilla. It is so good. Notes kind of simplistic, but work. This is a honey fragrance that I can stand. There are some honey fragrances that are just not, I'm sorry, it's not my jam. It's not me. She didn't come for me. She wasn't looking for me. She said, yeah, you weren't for me. There are some melon, some honey fragrances that just don't work. But this, addicted, love it down. I can't wait. Spring and summer is where I get the most out of this fragrance, and I am again excited. Another white floral, very up, kind of like a pick me up fragrance, if you will say, is the Bartant. This is from Louis Vuitton, and we have pear in this. We have some jasmine, ylang ylang, patchouli, moss, and I know those base notes make you scared and want to run away, but it works so well. When I went to the Louis Vuitton store while I was in Mexico, as you know, this was really the one that drew me near on my trip, and I had to have it. So excited that spring is here, that I get to wear it down, and you can see the dent in it. You see that I love it. That's the other thing I love about this. You can really see your dent, the progress that you're making, that you're pouring in. But both fragrances are really good, even together, separate. These fragrances are a match made in heaven, but all the same, these are both great. I can't wait to wear them down in the month of May. So next up, we have Victor and Raw. We have Flower Bomb Nectar, a flanker of Flower Bomb. And this is so good. Do you have one of those fragrances that you have not worn in a long time and it's like sitting on your shelf saying like, pick me in your head, right? Not in real life, because then, girl, it would be a problem. But like, pick me, wear me. Well, that is what this fragrance was doing in the month of April. And honestly, I did not get to enjoy it in the month of April because I was really kind of on Valaya so heavy, Leonella so heavy. Like, I was on a lot of fragrances so bad, choo, just like all the things, just real heavy. So I feel like I did not get to wear her as I wanted to. So now is the time. So we have gunpowder in this, bergamot, cassis, we have vanilla, tonka bean, jasmine. If you are looking for like a different white floral, something that's not the same, but definitely if you are a Flower Bomb girly, this would be right up your alley. I feel this gives me warm, spicy, but still playful. It's not like warm, spicy where I'm like in the fall, dead of winter. Like, it's not that. It's something I can wear in this season where it's just fickle weather, doesn't know if it wants to be hot, doesn't know if it wants to be cold, rainy days. Like, this goes very well, and it's projects. It's really good. So I am excited to wear her a little bit more for the month of May. Have you all go back in the back of your collection, right? Go in the back of your wardrobe and start pulling out some of these oldies but goodies, things that you haven't worn in a long time. Like, I know there's like so many fragrances, new fragrances coming out. Yeah, get those too if you want. But like, don't forget about like what you have in your collection right now. Because some of your fragrances are like, girl, you haven't reached for me. Like, come on, pick me. What's going on? Like, I thought we was better than that. I thought we was cool. Don't leave your old fragrances out, okay? Moving on. Next up, another beautiful pear fragrance. We have Ocean, the Goya. And I haven't worn this in a little bit, but this is not like Nectar Flower Bomb, but I haven't worn it in so long. I've picked her up a time or two, okay? As you see the dip, I love a good Ocean, okay? This gives me my pear, my salt note. It just does it for me. It gives me like on the ocean, but not in the ocean water. It gives me like tropical sea vibes, sea notes, right? Like, I love it down. I normally pull for this in this time frame. Especially as we get into my birthday season, which is June coming up. But I normally pull it out then, but I was like, hey, it was already on my tray in April. Let's recycle her. And then we have teas, okay? Some Sugar Floor. This is from Victoria's Secret. I know, girl, Victoria. Yes, girl, Victoria. Victoria's Secret does it too. Victoria has great fragrances. So we have apple, bubblegum, caramel, jasmine in this. So it is, and it also has amber in the base. So it does give this warm, but it gives you definitely this caramel, tropical, sweet, fruity fragrance. A little bit of green in there. But to me, it kind of matches up with that Burberry elixir. You get strawberry, you get your apple, like, it's so good. I love it. I love pairing this fragrance with a lot of my other fragrances. So it's a good pair. Highly would recommend. If Victoria's Secret still has this, this is really good. But I love pairing this fragrance, especially with that bubblegum note. It gives me like very juvenile, but not taking everything serious. All your fragrances don't have to be serious. You don't have to be the boss girl all the time. I mean, you're still the boss, but still, you can be playful. And so this gives me that playful atmosphere. And last but certainly not least, we have two of my new beauties. So we have Gucci Bloom. We've talked about her down, Little Jasmine. Some of you all love her, and some of you all like, no sis, I'm not there yet. But again, we've talked about it. I've been in kind of my white floral state. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's just my age thing, my body chemistry. I don't know. I've been liking some white floral on my body. And people around me have been liking some white floral. So I did get the new Gucci Bloom, and then we have Josie Moran. Although this is not new, this is new to me. I got this during the Sephora sale. Kind of the last day of the Sephora sale, I got this topless tangerine perfume or fragrance mist is what it is. Gary, it looks milky, but it does spray out very body spray-ish, but I love the sprayer on this. I'm going to wear this down, try to pair this, wear it alone, but I'm curious. It definitely gives me milky in the bottle, but it doesn't spray out like that. Yeah, it's a different concoction, okay? It is a different concoction. And so we are going to get to know her. If you have some Josie Maran fragrant mist, let me know your thoughts on it as I get to know this. I mean, definitely tangerine orange. This scent I do love comparison to some others. I mean, they do have the vanilla, which is good too, but comparison to some others, as far as in the fruity realm, I do love this type of fragrant concoction. Okay. So again, I'm going to get to know this for the month of May. I'm excited. I'm excited to come to you all during the month of May and give you all some of my in-depth thoughts on some of these fragrances. If there's a particular fragrance you want to know my thoughts on, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to give you some singular reviews and, let you all know what I think, and then you can discover it yourself. And I tell you if you should blind buy or not, because Gary, I am not into, no. Make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, yeah, you said it, grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yep, yes, sis just did. Okay, bye, y'all. I love you so much. Bye.